Welcome to our tutorial on how to clean your ROPOT and ROPOT UV reverse osmosis drinking water systems. Each package includes 4 cleansing kits and 5 packets of cleansing tablet. Normally, your ROPOT or ROPOT UV system provides fresh, clean-tasting water with no noticeable odor. If you notice an unusual smell or change in taste, it may be time to cleanse your system. What you'll need: Bluvia Cleansing Kit 1 set, a clean towel, a stirring stick, room temperature or cold water below 77 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to fill 1 tank. Let's begin the cleansing process with these 6 simple steps. Step 1. Backflush the filter. To release pressure, simultaneously press the water-making button and the banana-shaped volume button for a 60-second backflush. For earlier models without this feature, simply turn the unit off and on again to initiate auto backflushing. Step 2. Set up the cleansing kit. Use the cleansing kits to replace the filters temporarily. This prevents the cleansing solution from damaging the filters. Start with the PP filter. Lift the filter to a 45-degree angle. Then turn it clockwise to unlock and remove it from its housing. Take one of the cleansing kits and find the triangle icon on the top. Align this icon with the corresponding triangle icon on the filter base. Insert the cleansing kit into the slot by gently pushing it in and then twisting counterclockwise until it locks into place. Repeat this process for the CTO, RO, and PCF filters. Remove each filter and replace it with a cleansing kit. Step 3. Prepare the cleansing tablet. Before cleansing, open windows or doors to allow fresh air to circulate. Fill the tank with room temperature or cold water below 77 degrees Fahrenheit to the max line. Stir in 1 packet of cleansing tablet until fully dissolved. Place the filled tank back onto the tank base. Step 4. Start cleansing. Select the largest water volume and start the system to circulate the cleansing solution. After 5 minutes, turn off the system. Let the unit soak for 30 minutes. Press the water-making button again to finish filtering the cleansing solution. Transfer the solution from the carafe back to the tank for a second cycle. Afterward, discard the cleansing solution from both the tank and the carafe. Step 5. Cleanse the system. Refill the tank with fresh water to the max line. Run the system to flush out the cleansing solution. Discard the solution from both the tank and the carafe. Repeat this flushing process 2 times to ensure thorough cleansing. Step 6. Reassemble the filters. Remove the cleansing kits by turning them clockwise, and reinstall each filter by twisting counterclockwise until they click into place. Congratulations! You've successfully cleansed your ROPOT or ROPOT UV system. It's now ready to provide you with fresh, clean-tasting water once again.